This 2022 Coachmen Freedom Express Ultralight 274 RKS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new Coachmen is 31 feet 10 inches in length and features one slideout, a cloud interior, sleeps 4, refrigerator, microwave, skylight, oven, auxiliary battery, LP detector, smoke detector, DVD player, water heater, slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Freedom Express Ultralight 274 RKS is 6,622 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.